Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. If you caught part 1, you saw how scatter plots reveal correlation between sales and productivity. So, welcome to part 2 of our 4-part series on scatter plot advanced section from my Python playlist. Here, we will group that data to find department average, connecting directly to those trends that we spotted. I mean, this one, right? And the next part means after this video, or you can say the part 3, we will rank top performers based on what we learned today. And if you are new here, or I would say if you missed part 1, check it out first for the dataset setup and subscribe to stay on the loop. Let's aggregate some insights. Before that, just a quick nod to our sample dataset from part 1. There are 10 employees with names, department, sales, and productivity. If you need the code to recreate the data frame, it's in the description or back in part 1, but no need to worry. I will give you the Google Drive link in all the videos. So just click on it. You will get directly to the dataset or data frame on the codes. We are building on that df variable here. Df means this one, right? Let's run it. Where is this? Yeah, that's it. That's the thing. Okay. Now let's aggregate. We will use Pandas GroupBy and mean to summarize averages per department. So no manual calculation, and this is a kind of statistical addition in visualization series. Like people used to ask in my live stream, like how much statistics do we actually need in data analytics point of view. I always say the basics one. Yes, if I say the basics one, that means I am saying from my own experience. So only basics of statistics is needed, and we will be using it here. So just chill, and we will be also seeing a scatter plot from the group by thing we will do right now. So we will give something called grouped equal to df dot group by what we will do, department, ठीक है, and then we will find the mean. ठीक, we will find the mean, but before that let me show you something. Print grouped, ठीक है, let me show you something. ठीक है, in this it won't show anything. For that you will write mean. ठीक है, in mean also I want to show something. That's it, it will show you error. For that you will write numeric only equal to true. Now let's run it. That's what we have got, and I need something which I have used previously, that is the display, that is ds, so that it looks cool like that. And that is what it is all about. What it does, this groups by department and the average sales and productivity output. So the sales average is around 16,500 in sales with mark of 90.5 productivity, which is obviously the top tier, right? Marketing, it is at 13,000 with 82.7, while our favorite and most best department in any of the corporate field, that is the HR, and I am not joking, it is like 9,000 with 70 productivity. And see how this builds on scatter plot. Let's jump into it. Okay, sns dot scatter plot, we will give x equal to this sales, y equal to productivity, productivity, hue we will give department, and what we have, another we have data equal to grouped, and s let's give 100. ठीक है, then plt dot show. Let's run this. Okay, So what we can see, let me reduce it a little bit. So what we can see how this table builds on a scatter plot, and those high sale points up the average. ठीक है? And aggregation like this turns raw data into actionable trend using just library function. So great job doing group by, and now we know the big picture stats in this. ठीक है? In part 3, I mean the next video, we will sort and rank individual performers using this average as context for who's leading. It all connects. ठीक है? Everything is connected to each and everything. Like, if you are excited, subscribe for more and comment your thoughts on this department insights. So let's meet each and everyone on part 3. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy coding.